All right, so in this video, we are going to be downloading a code editor that we will be using for this course. Now, this code editor will be compatible with Windows operating system, Mac, and for Linux. So that's one of the reasons I'm going to download this one. And the best part, it is free. All right, so let's go to Chrome. Let's type in brackets here, brackets with an S. I'm going to get this website here, brackets.io, and then I'm going to download it. Depending on your speed, it should take a couple seconds or minutes. All right, for me, it's just downloading. I probably have a 5 megabyte down right now because I'm in the second floor and my wireless is downstairs. So once it finishes downloading, then just install it like you install any program on your operating system. Usually you just click on the program and it will start opening right away. For some of you, you're gonna have to double click it. All right. So for me, I'm in a Mac. I just have to drag it into the applications. For you, just double click it or do whatever you need to do on your operating system. It's very self-explanatory. And once that is done, then you go to where that program installed and just double click and open it. All right. So one of the reasons I chose this is because, as you can tell, it looks really nice. It works for Mac, for Windows, and for Linux, just like I said. And we have some more functionalities there that we're going to be using. Like we're going to be able to write code a little faster than just, with any other code editors. We're going to be able to see text highlighted like this, different tags, different colors. Is really cool. There are many different features that we have in this code editor that are really good for developers and programmers. All right. So anyways, if you were able to download this, great. If you had any problems, let me know and maybe I can help you out. But again, if you have your code editor and you already, you're happy with it, go ahead and use that one. It really doesn't matter. But for this course, I'm going to be using this one. So if you want to follow everything exactly like me, download this one. All right. I see you in the next lecture. Thank you so much. Take care.